Hey, baby. Come on, let's have a look at you. You got the hiccups? Have you? So your mum's milk this day now. So, you used to get the hiccups a lot when you were inside. Oops. Oh. Florence. Oh, you poor thing. Oh. Good girl.